Hi friends, you all are welcome to our Sri Packers Movers YouTube channel. Today I am going to discuss that if any company having its own transport vehicle, so what are the major benefit that we are going to discuss. So top 5 reasons what I have included in that one, what you can see here: on time delivery, cost effective services, closed vehicle and safety of items, right and safe packing, safety of household goods. So I have considered these are the most common benefit, top most common benefit what we are going to get. So first of the thing is the on time delivery. So in this one what happens, that if we have own vehicle, so there is a very less dependency on the third party, and so we are able to deliver on the time, because our own vehicle we can reach and on a time, and we can pack all the things in a proper way. So apart from that, next I have put on the second point, that no hurry in the item packing, because we have own transport vehicle, so there is no other commitment. We plan our way in a way that there should not be hurry in the packing. So if we are not getting any third party involvement, so there is no hurry. If there is a delay also, we don't do any hurry in that one. And the third point is that one, that since we have own vehicle, so we can provide the service in the less cost, because there is no other margin for the third party. So this provides us to offer our service in the better pricing. Fourth point is that one, because we know what the item we have packed in our transport vehicle, so we drive accordingly. Sometimes it is required, then we drive slowly, and sometimes it is required is a long journey, then we take a break and we can drive accordingly. So it ensure that since we have own transport vehicle, we have own driver, so we able to shift your luggage goods of household goods in a most safety way. The last one is the fifth one, that is most important things, that we have our own closed vehicle, so your item will be safe from the sunlight, from the rain, from the dust and all. So these are the major points what we can cover. You can see here that safety of from overloading, we don't do overloading. Safety of loss of item while road jerk and all, we take care of all these things. So heavy rain and the road dust, all we taken care of that one. So these are the most five point what we can deliver to the client, because we have our own vehicle. And I will say that one, if any client is looking for the own house shifting and services, so he should be consider all these point with us. So if you want to avail our services, you want to talk to us, you talk to our consultant, just call on the number in the last of the slide.